Hi, in this lesson we are going to add tree map to our dashboard. Let us open it. So this is the dashboard we are creating. A tree map visual is very much like a pie chart or donut chart when it comes to its uses. It is used to show the percentage of an element in comparison to the total. So the difference between a tree map and a pie chart is that in case of pie, the value appears in the form of a circle, whereas in case of a tree map it appears in the form of a rectangle. Okay, let us see. So this is the that visual that we are going to create. This is in the third row and last. So let us insert one tile. This is the tile we have inserted. So it is always advisable that we need to add values to the visuals. Suppose we want to see sales by shipping mode. By shipping mode there are four shipping modes. So individual shipping mode wise sales we want to check how we can add data to it. So let us take this, let us add this sales the the values. Okay, so this is the sum of the cells. So here in this case what is happening, when we were adding values to the circle or pie, so this cells was appearing in the form of a circle. Here what is happening, it is appearing in the form of a rectangle. Okay, suppose we want to that further subdivide, we want to further divide these cells into different shipping mode wise. Okay, what we can do, we can add shipping mode to the category. Okay, shipping mode to the category. Okay, so this is economy shipping mode, that is ship mode is economy and sum of value is reflecting. Here also is economy plus, and here also priority, and here also immediate. Okay, immediate, that is ship mode is immediate. This is for urgent. Suppose we want to see region wise sales and shipping mode wise sales, we can add here a region. Okay, so there are two levels of data we have found it here. So one is ship mode, another is region mode. So we can always see this drill down options is always there, we can use this. Suppose take for example we want to that go to the next level. What is the next level? That is region wise level, we can use this. Okay, so this is the region wise we can get this data. This is the region, that is central, and sum of cell is appearing, and here's southern and sum of cells, and then it is northern regions and north regions, and it is sum of cell is appearing. Okay, so we can go back. So what we are doing here, when we are using like two categorical data, so we can always use, we have the always options to drill down. Suppose we want to see both, like take for example we want to see the shipping mode and regions, we can always use this. Okay, this is the options that we can always use. So this is the ship mode, economy central. Okay, and this, so we can use always this. So we have always the options of drilling down the data. Okay, so suppose take for example we do not want to this region to be here. Okay, we do not want to use this. So what we want to see, we want to see in details. Let us see. So what will happen, this region particular shipping mode is subdivided into region wise. So for the economy, take for example, for economy there are three regions. It is central, economy ship mode is central, as ship mode is economy, region is central. Here if you see, it is south, and here it is north. Similarly economy plus, we have also three regions. Similarly for priority there are three regions. For that immediate also there are three regions. This is how we can use it. Okay, however we do not want to that, suppose we will not keep it here. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll format this, we'll format these visuals. So that we can always, we have the options of formatting options. Okay. So we would like to see the data label. Let us open the data label. So this is in the form of data label, means the data that we had earlier. Like take for example, this is the data sum of cells 1412632. It is written as 1,000,000. Suppose we want to see it as thousands, we can always keep it like 141,314,130,000. It will appear as like this. Okay. So these are the styling options. Suppose we want to change the font, this is the options we can use. Suppose we want to increase the font size, we can always use. So suppose take for example, this is the color that we want to change, also as well. Okay. So it is as per our choices, we can always build it, we can always choose to do it. Okay. Suppose that for example we want to see the this value in terms of percentage. So normally this is available if you come to this like field tabs. If you want to see, this is the sum of cells, we can always see also here, like show value as percentage of grand total. So we can see this is the percentage of grand total, we are getting it. Okay. Percentage of grand total, this is 60%, here it is 20%, and priority here it is 13%, here it is 5.6%. So this is how we can use tree map. We can create tree map, and we can that include, as we can include, you can add to our dashboard. Okay. That's for the lessons. See you in the next one. Thank you.